Anybody have an area in their yard where they plant things year after year and it just keeps dying and dying and dying? They just don't thrive. That's this area. But I decided to go and get some other flowers for this area, and I'm hoping that they survive because, gosh, I'm over it. I'm over it. These better survive. I'm gonna talk to these freaking plants so often and like put a freaking umbrella near it just so they can adapt to it, because this area of my backyard gets really, really sunny, and during the summer it gets about 103, 104 degrees out here, and it just gets hot. So these plants are like, help me. So I don't blame them, but I'm hoping that these ones actually like the sun, because it did say it like 6 to 8 hours. They're called ice plant flowers, and I'm just hoping that they do real good because they're beautiful. Look at these beautiful flowers. They got the orange and the yellow, and it looks real good in this area. So I'm hoping that they survive. Please cross your fingers and hope that these plants survive in the summer. I'm definitely gonna have to like keep you guys posted because, oh man, I'm over doing this part of my backyard. Like, I'm over it. So, and then I got all these rocks already. I had them before, my little river rocks. And here it is. Look how pretty this turned out. I love it. Now just please survive, little ones. Please stay alive for me.